Hello everybody. In this video we will talk about conditional statements of PHP. Okay, now let's start coding. I have already saved this file within the htdocs folder PHP tutorials with the name of conditional operator.php. So just remember that whenever we write the PHP code, we have to store that file within the WAMP servers htdocs folder, and within that folder we can create our own folder. In this case I have created php_tutorials as the folder, and within that folder I have saved this file with the name of conditional operators.php. Now let's start. Basically, conditional statements are those statements which are used to evaluate the condition. We'll check the condition. If the condition is true, then we'll do something. If the condition is false, we'll do some other thing. Okay, conditional statements. First one is if, else, another one is switch case. Now let's start with if. First let's declare a variable x equal, let's assign 44 to x. If the value of x is equal to 44, then we have to do something. Echo, okay, br, this is 44. Okay, otherwise we will display. Okay, just we have to do nothing. Now let's open this file. We have to do localhost PHP tutorials, then I can list the directories. This is the conditional operator. Click okay, this is 44. Now here we have used the if statement to check if the value of x is 44 or not. If this value, x value, is 44, then we will be displaying this 44. Okay, this is simple if. We can check the strings also. $str equal to Everest. Okay, then we can again check here. If $str equal to Everest, Everest, then we can display echo. What? Echo br, this is highest peak. Okay, statement terminator here. Okay, fine. Now let's save this, let's refresh this. Now we are getting this. We can check inequality using this sign. Refresh this, nothing will be there. Okay, and in case the if statement, we can check condition, and if that condition is false, we can do something else. And to do something else, we will be adding else part. Okay, else echo, okay, what is this? Control Z, echo, this is not 44. Okay, now I will assign something different value to this x and check. Now let's refresh. Now this is not 44. Similarly, we can have else in another if also. Here, okay, else echo br, this is not Everest. Now let's change this value to something different. Let's say, okay, now refresh this. Now we, okay, I have made mistake here. Where I have made the mistake? Something is wrong. Okay, control S. Now it's fine. 21 number 9. What is happening here? Let's say else. Why is this error? Okay, this is a highest peak. This is highest peak. If it's not equal to, let's say, then if control yes, if Everest is not equal to, let's say, that evaluated true, so this message, this is highest peak shown. Now we are having Everest within the str, and we are comparing str with the Everest. Okay, let's say, and this is not true. Everest is not equal to, let's say, so we will have this is not Everest. Okay, let's refresh this. Now this is not Everest with the bold. Okay, now in this way we can use the if statement. Now let's move to Why I am not able to move this? Okay, keep it here. Okay, now let's move to switch case. Dollar option is equal to, okay, let's assign integer switch dollar option. Then now within the switch we will be writing the case. Okay, case 1 echo br and then underline 1. Okay, control C. Okay, control V, control V, control V. Now break. Here again break, here again break. Now switch case is a conditional statement which is used to evaluate multiple values of single variable. Here this option can be compared with different values, okay, using the case. Here I am using 3 different cases, 1 2 3. I can write any number of cases. So if statement is used to check if the condition evaluates to true or false only. Okay, when we have to check some condition on the basis of its trueness or falseness, we can use if. But if you want to compare one variable's value with multiple values, in that case switch case will be better. But whatever we think we can do with the switch case can be done using the if else also. Okay, we can be writing if else, similar to the switch case. In this case switch case, first within the bracket, switch case within the bracket we have to send the parameter, the variable for which we have to compare the value. In this case option is the variable of which value we have to check. If the value of option is 1, we will be displaying 1. If the value of option is 2, then we will be displaying 2. If the value of option is 3, then 3 should be displayed. So okay, so in this case initially the value of option is 1, so this case will be executed and we have to write break to terminate the case. If we do not write break here, the case immediately following that case will be executed. Now let's execute this. You can see 1 is here because here the value of option is 1, so this option is compared with the existing case and this is the case with which the value of option matches. So 1 is displayed. Let's do it 3, then we will get 3 here. Now here the option value is 3, so the case 3, this case matches, so the whatever we have written within the body of this case, that will be displayed. If we do not write break here, now let's see what will happen. Now we'll make it 1. Initially this option will be compared, the case 1 will be evaluated true and this 1 will be displayed. So if there is no break, that case 2 will be also executed. Okay, now let's see this, refresh this. Now we can see 1 2 both been displayed because the options value matched with 1, first case 1, and there is no break, so this case 2 is also executed. The body of case 2 is also executed. So we have to keep the break if you want to terminate the case. Okay.